Thursday, July 8th, 2021. Let's get started. Welcome back. Painting the kids' room. Got a lot of stuff here. This will remain white. Just adding a new coat to it. Eggshell, as you know. But what I'll do is the burgundy, of course, that'll change. The beige will change. It'll be gray, much like the last project. I have to take this stuff out of here. It's a very tight space. Need the room. Of course, I'm using the light, but I think this is going to turn out well. She should change the angle on that TV. But yeah, it's going to look nice. I wanted to use some joint compound to fill in the cracks in the window area, but I can't. I won't have enough time. Have to do a rush job. Meanwhile, just take out the air condition, the blinds, and I'll start taping the corners. In addition to taping, I decided to cover the windows. I started late, and I know I'll be working well past midnight. Management thinks that I shouldn't have to tape the ceiling or worry about paint getting on the beige or burgundy because I'm painting this stuff a different color anyway. And since I'm starting with the ceiling, shouldn't matter. Yep, I think I might have messed up. Don't you just love people who give advice, but don't really have to put in the work? I decided to keep the tape. Just because. Not that it'll help me anymore. Just because. I'm doing it anyway. Even with the recessed lighting, I'll just outline sections like a box, fill them in, pull the light down, and paint around this area. See, just like this. That way I won't miss anything. Along with outlining sections, I painted half of the ceiling first because of the bed. So now I'm on to the second half of the ceiling area. It's turning out well so far. Running out of paint though. I covered the ceiling with the new paint, but I had to stretch it real thin. I had very little left. I wish I could have added a little more, but still looks good. There was this one red mark on the wall that keeps bleeding through, but overall, pretty good. Keep your blind brackets in your windows when you're painting. Let me show you what to do. You can go to one of the big box stores and get an artist paintbrush set. I got this one from Walmart. Home Depot has a nice one. And you can use them for stuff like this. It's real tight. Can't see it. Sorry about that. Here we go. All right. And that way you don't have to take the bracket out and lose the thread. You should know by now, I start like this with the paintbrush, make my box, go from there. Got the first coat on. I only do 2 if it's necessary, but I have to do 2 for where the burgundy paint was and there. I only want to do 1 the rest of the way though. All right, that's done. Dried up well. Only 1 coat for the old beige paint. 2 coats for the burgundy. I'll start ripping this tape off and look to do my touch-ups. Ran into a problem. It was too early to take the tape down, so I have some chip paint. That's why I like taping, then painting, and then doing the touch-ups the next day. But again, I have to get this stuff done, so let me work on this side. I'm getting there, but I'm worn out. I've been going for a long time now. I'm on fumes. All right, I have to put that second coat there. And this is starting to come together. Did I tell you I'm tired? You see the window? Light outside again. Have to finish. On to the touch-ups. I guess I shouldn't have ripped that tape off, but this isn't a big deal. When you put your all into something, you can live with the results. It's like measuring twice and cutting once. Should have did that when I was installing that fireplace. Let's wrap this up. Cleanup time. For the moment we've all been waiting for. Here we go. Well, that's it. Got it done. Took a long time, but it was all worth it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.